you are a champ.
I grew up fighting since I was a kid.
What really went wrong?
So I shot 5 times with hollow points. I had 1% chance to live.
You have an undying spirit.
There was just blood everywhere. One punch can change a fight.
At some point, you were left to die.
You're stepping into a ring with someone that wants to kill you just as much as you want to kill him. They hit me with a plumber's pole from behind. They jumped on my testicles. They broke my right hand. They broke my nose. They fractured my jaw. Then they broke the left lens to my left eye.
You are still fighting. You are going to be fighting, I think, on the 26th of July. Yes.
Yeah, it was terrible.
But you need to learn to walk away.
God, you can take me, because I knew I was gonna die. I was bleeding out of my mouth, my ears keep me alive. I had 16 blood transfusions, so I had 16 of those where they put back my stomach, zip me up, stitch me up, open me up, stitch me up, 16 times.
What was going on in your mind?
I had all that anger built up in me, and that hurt of what they did to me.
So who silenced the lamb?
Timber people were just dying. Like it was scary, bro. Like I had guys that were dying, and then they'd roll off the top bunk, hit the floor, and the ochre was already dead. He just...
My guy, there was traffic.
I went into prison during the worst time of prison history.